afternoon, welcome. This is Jamb year 2010 government pass question number 18. The question number 18 says, in theory, one major advantage of the one party system is that it dash. In theory, one major advantage of the one party system is that it dash. A. Promotes greater mass participation in government. B. Serves as an instrument of national integration. C. Guarantees social justice. D. Eliminates intra-party conflict. I want to talk of one party system. This is a system in which only one political party is recognized in the state, and if only one political party exists in the state, it means that every member of the state that have interest in politics belongs to the same party. So by this interpretation, it means that it serves as an instrument of national integration. So option B is correct. Option B is correct. So option B is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more of our videos.